Hello everyone, today's a super exciting day because I'm filming my first home tour ever. This video has been highly requested, so I'm so excited to be finally filming it. I've posted a lot of photos on Instagram of my apartment, so if you're not following me yet, make sure to follow me. But I finally get to show you guys the whole place, and I am so excited because I've been working on it for a few months now and I just love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click the little red button down below. Thanks, love you. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here's a view when you first walk into my apartment. So this is the living room. On this side of the wall, we have this little money tree plant that John and I got from IKEA. Then we have the ottoman that he built in college. We have this little throw on it from Marshall's, and then two little pillows from Tuesday Morning. We love having a little pop of white there. The pillows and the throw really help it match the rest of the room. Under the ottoman, we have our books and like our photo album. So it's super cool because we get to store all our books there and we don't need an extra bookshelf. And then under there, we have a few blankets. I love this wall because we have our little shelves of plants. This was like my dream shelf situation. If you watch my Q&A, then you know that I love plants. So these are all the ones I was talking about. They're just so beautiful, and I love that I have them in different little containers. On this side, we have our computers. We're both in architecture school, so we had to buy desktops, but we use them all the time. That's where I edit all my videos and where I spend most of my day working. These two chairs are from Haverty's and we love them so much. We think they're so unique. And then we have this rug from Haverty's as well. And we love the colors. On this side of my computer, I have this little basket that I got from a thrift shop for like 80 cents, and it was so cute. So this is where I have all my pens and where I have random things I need for the computer. On the other side, we have these two little succulents that I love so much. We have them in little containers that we got from Hobby Lobby, and I just think they're so cute. Then on John's side, we have this mint plant that I actually just got, and we put it in this little glass container. And then I have this little tree that I'm trying to grow. Right next to our desk, we have our couch, which we got from IKEA. This actually opens up and it becomes a bed for when people come over. Right above it, we have our picture frames that I have actually posted about on Instagram. These are a few of our wedding photos and I love them so much. And we got white frames because we just wanted more of a minimalist look. We love them. Back there we have a lamp from Target, which we got when we first moved here. We got this little throw from Target, and then we got the pillows from Tuesday Morning. We just wanted to bring in a lot of white into the living room. Next to our couch, we have this little table that we got from Facebook Marketplace for like $5, so that was super cool. Then I have another basket here that actually looks exactly like that one, but it's a little bit bigger. So here we like to keep our keys and random things. When we first come home, we just drop everything off. We really wanted to keep the living room just really open and welcoming, and while also giving us a space to work on all our projects there. And then I also have a mirror right there, which I got from Target. So this is the full view. Okay, on the other side of the living room, we have our kitchen. So we don't actually have a dining room table because we just don't have room for it. So we actually just have stools there that were actually like a darker cherry wood color, but then John actually sanded them down so they actually match the rest of our apartment now. Then here we have this wood wick candle that is just amazing. And then we have this little jar that I got from a thrift shop with some dried eucalyptus. This is the view from the kitchen into the living room. Then we have our sink, and then I just have a little wooden brush, and it's a huge sink, which we love. Here on this side, I have a little basket where I like to keep avocados or like whatever fruit I have at the moment, and then just a toaster. We really do like to keep things just open and cleared off. That way they look really neat and there's not a lot of cleaning up to do. Then we have Kenny's little bowl, and we have our pantry over there. We have our fridge. This is just a counter where I like prep all the food, and we have a little glass jar with some more dried eucalyptus. We have almonds, sunflower seeds, and rice just sitting out all the time because those are definitely my staples. I was cooking for my friends who are coming over tonight. On this side, we have this little cute thing that my friend Nicole got us. It's so cute. And then we have some more dried eucalyptus, and then I have these little spatulas I got from Target, and they're super cute because they're rose gold and they all match. And then I have the little container from Target as well. So then right there we have our washer and dryer, and our bathroom is down there. On this wall we have a little gift that John's brother gave him, and it's just a map. So here is a full view of our kitchen, and we love being in the kitchen as well, especially since it's so open to the living room. Okay, next we have our room. So this is our bed frame. It's actually a platform bed. John built it one summer and he designed it, which is so cool. On both sides we have nightstands, and they're identical. We got them from Marshall's. I have this little throw right here, and we got this from a thrift shop, and it was $2. It's so beautiful, so of course I had to get it. I have this duvet from IKEA, and then I have some little pink sheets in the back. I have this rug that my mom got me when I was like in high school, but I love it so much. On this side I have my diffuser that my mom got me. I really need a big one, but this one always stays in our room for the most part unless we have people coming over. And then John's side just has the 2 jars with eucalyptus in them. On this side of the room we have Kenny's bed, which is actually a really fluffy blanket, but it is perfect because we get to wash it often. Then we have this little plant that is actually, I feel like it's dying right now, but I can't tell, so someone let me know please. I have this plant in a basket that I got at Home Goods. Then right above that we have these little 2 jars that we got from my parents for a wedding gift. And then we have a tiny little glass jar with some eucalyptus in it, a little jewelry box that my family gave me with just random jewelry, and then we have this jewelry stand that displays all my jewelry. Next to that we have a giant mirror that I got from Target, and then next to it we have this little corn plant. On this side I just have my closet, and we just have a little pillow decoration hanging from it. I did a little closet declutter, so check out my other video. So next to our bed we have the bathroom. This is what it looks like. It's super simple. We have these little rugs, and I have no idea where they're from because we took them from my parents' house, but we love them because they go so well with our apartment. Then we have this white curtain, which we got from Target. I'll show you guys my shower really quick. In here we have 2 candles because we really like to light some candles when we shower. And then I have homemade soap. Then I have a homemade body scrub, and then I just have a face wash right there. On the counter we have this little fake plant, and this is actually the only fake plant in my apartment. And then I got this for John when we were dating in Kansas, and then we just have a little candle there. Then here's a little basket where we like to keep just random washcloths that are clean, and then random stuff like my glasses, contact solution, my perfume, and then lotion, coconut oil, homemade deodorant, and then John's stuff. But this basket's so cute. I actually got it from Home Goods, and they have a lot of similar ones if that's what you're looking for. And then this little soap pump we got from Target. So that is my apartment. I hope you guys like this video. For us it was really important to keep things really minimal. When you don't have a lot of things on counters and shelves and whatnot, then it really makes things look really neat and easy to clean up. But I really am happy I got to share my place with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.